How's it going, guys, and welcome back. As you can see from the title, we're going to start the process for rebuilding the wheels on the FRS. I got the lips out finally, and today we're going to throw on some ceramic coating on them, get that process started since it takes so long to cure. It takes about 24 to 48 hours. I don't want to be messing with them too much when I'm throwing them on the other barrels when I'm rebuilding them. I want them nice and cured, that way I don't mess up anything on them, get them dirty or get any fingerprints in them or anything like that. So we'll start with that, and if I have time I might bring the wheels to get the tires unmounted on them. I'm not sure if I'll have time today to do that, seeing as how most tire places close around 5 and it's about 3:30 right now. So we'll see, I guess, how long it takes me to get these ceramic coated and everything like that. But yeah, we're gonna start with that and see what we get to today. All right, so I'm just gonna start off by taking off most of this wrap here because I'm not gonna want it. I might save it just for when I bring it to the tire shop to get them mounted. I might want to throw some of this on, but we'll see. So I might save it, but for now, we'll take it off. I'm gonna start off just by kind of wiping it down, get all the dust off it and stuff like that, just real quick. And then I'm going to take some isopropyl alcohol, and it doesn't matter what percent, we just need to take any of the residue of any type of chemicals or compounds or polish or anything that they put on there. Make sure that that's off before we do that. Typically when they're brand new, they're not going to have much of that, but just in case, I like to do so. Get that nice white. And I'm just going to keep wiping it down with some isopropyl alcohol. Make sure there's nothing left on it. Even though it's brand new, you don't typically need to, but I like to just in case. And make sure all that's wiped off. And yeah, you can see there's quite a bit of stuff on there. I don't know what that is. It's probably just some polish or something like that, just because that's what they do with aluminum. But give it a little bit of a wipe down now. Try and dry this out the best we can. That way there's nothing left when we go to ceramic coat it. And now it's going to grab our ceramic coat. Typically it's going to come with your ceramic coat, a little applicator, and then these white little cloths, and I'll show you how to do it. All we got to do, I'll pop that out, grab our applicator, take one of these little white cloths here, and I like to start on the edge, that way I can rotate it so I can use it a little more. But throw it on there, and there's this spongy side on this side that we want towards the white. We're just going to wrap it around. Take some of this. And we're going to take some of this and just dab some on there, get it a little damp, and we can start going to town on these. And so I like to kind of do it by section. So I like to do all around here first, and then this section, then the step, and then the lip. That way I make sure I don't miss any, and then I typically go around again and do it a second time just to make sure I didn't miss anything. But we're gonna go around this lip, go all the way around. Make sure we don't miss any. And then gonna dip just a little bit more on, make sure we're getting it completely covered, because one of these little bottles will do 40 pairs of wheels, so you don't really got to worry about doing too much. The only thing is if you do use too much, you just got to wait a little longer for it to dry when you want to wipe it off, but that's it. So we're going to go around here. Around this. Make sure we get it all nice and good. And now that this is getting a little dirty, I'm just going to take it, move it over until it's on the side. That way I can keep using this same one and not have to go through all these very quickly. Restart the process, just dip some on there. Make sure it's nice and damp. And just go around this lip right here. And this one's already getting real dirty, I guess. I didn't wipe off as good as I thought I did, but that is fine. It's not going to get on the wheel, luckily, because of the material of the white cloth. It's going to pick up everything that's dirty on it, and we'll be good to go. And then one last time. And we'll get the very edge of this lip. Oh, and I just touched it with my fingers. So let me re-hit where I just got with my fingers. Make sure it's okay. And we're just gonna go around this lip real nice. Make sure we get all around it. Get the edge of it, get the back side of it and everything, make sure we don't miss any. And now, what I'm going to do by the time you're finished it, I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it's going to be this rainbowy type color where you can tell it's starting to dry. And that's when we're going to want to grab a different microfiber and just buff it off. And when I do this, I like to move the microfiber as much as I can to try and stay away from keeping it in one spot. Because if it gets on it too much in one spot, it'll build up and then it'll be real hard to wipe off. We just want to go around this, make sure we get all of it off here. And you can see it coming off. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it through the camera or not, but in person you can definitely see pretty much everywhere where it is, especially with something this shiny. You can see where every little inch of it is coated, which is a good thing just because you'll be able to tell if you've missed any areas, and also when you're drying, you'll know if you missed any areas drying as well. But now that's done, we'll go take a look at it in the sun.
want to do.
Now that all 4 of them are ceramic coated, we're gonna have to wait about 24 to 48 hours. I typically at least wait 24 just to make sure I don't get any fingerprints or anything like that, but it's a little past when the tire shops are open, so I'm gonna have to swing by one of them tomorrow, either in the morning or late at night, but in the afternoon before they close again, and see if I can get these tires off. That way I can start breaking them down and get on to the next process of these lips. How's it going, guys? Forgot to shoot the outro yesterday, but we finished up ceramic coating the lips, and then the next video will most likely be today, but I'll throw this in for this video. But we finished up ceramic coating the lips, and then we just had to wait those 24 hours, which will be today. Like I said, forgot to film the outro after because it got a little too dark and I didn't want to, you know, not be able to see or bad lighting or anything like that. But yeah, we should be filming that all today and get that other video out tomorrow, or in a couple days, I should say. And then we should be good to go. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys are new, definitely drop that like, subscribe, hit me with a comment. Let me know what you guys would like to see differently, anything done to the cars, or an overview, or a ride along, or some sound clips, or whatever you guys want to see. Just let me know and we'll make it happen. But thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.